Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. I'm so excited for my first unboxing this year. We are gonna be unboxing our January Boxycharm box. So this is just a regular box, you guys. I didn't do the premium or the Boxy Lux. I think this is enough for me. They do put amazing products in the regular box, so I'm happy with it. So if you guys are loving the new background and just loving 2020 so far, just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel before you leave, and please do hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my uploads, any of my unboxing. So if you guys want to see me unbox this box and create something for you guys, then just keep on watching. The theme for this month is breaking the ice, breaking the new year, I should say. So this is our card, and you guys know the deal with this. You have the products at the back telling us about the products, prices of the products. Yes, so let's put this aside. So let's go ahead and dig into the box. So you guys know how this goes. I already have products on my face that it's not in the box, so we can create a full face. So the first product that we are gonna use is this Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. So this is what the packaging looks like. This is from Wonder Beauty. I also use their face oil, so I'm gonna list all that in the description below. So this is what it looks like inside, you guys. The packaging has a little bit of texture to it, so I really like that. So I already cream contour my face, so it is ready to be set with a powder bronzer. I didn't apply any blush yet. So this has a mirror, so we have daiquiri and Tellum. So don't go by the back because it's backwards on the back. So this is our blush and bronzer duo. It says that this is a soft matte blush and a bronzer cheek duo. That is really pink, but most of the time this blends really nicely on the cheeks. So we're gonna go really lightly with this so it's not too much on the cheeks. Ooh, that's really pretty, you guys. It blends on the cheeks really nicely. I meant to do the bronzer first, but I got excited with the blush. So let's go with the bronzer now. It gives you enough shadows on the cheeks to curve them cheeks, but of course I really like to define them, so I will definitely put powder right here to curve my cheeks even more. But see, if you don't like that, leave it as is, because it gives you just enough definition on your cheeks, enough shadow, so that is real pretty. So this retails for how much? $36. So you have your blush and your bronzer to go. You are good to go. Let's go ahead and move on to the next product. This is the Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter. Yeah, so the packaging is huge. This is the packaging. It is so bright, you guys. This is the Diamond Fire Highlighter. So this retails for $36 as well. It says that this is one-of-a-kind highlighter. This is infused with real crushed diamond powder. Light reflecting pearls for a brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Who doesn't want to be on a planet shimmer? Take me there, I want to go there. Is there, how do you open this? Do I need a chainsaw for this? Okay. Look at this, you guys. And then you have this one. Wow. Look at this packaging, you guys. The little button right here doesn't do anything, but you guys saw it. Look at that. It is so pretty, stunning. So I swatched it right here on my hand, you guys. You guys, before I apply that beautiful highlighter, I'm gonna spray my face with the Giraffe Cosmetics and Rich Luxe collaboration. This is his Busted the House Ice Cream Shop collection. This is Dreamsicle, and then I have the chocolate mint up there. Oh my god, you guys smell so good. I know, shameless plug right here, Melanie Jennings, if you want to save some money. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face with this before we apply that. It just gives you more pop when you do that. You guys, this one smells amazing. Moving on to the next product in the box is a eyeshadow palette. You guys, you know me, I love my eyeshadow palette because it means that we can create something beautiful on the eyes. So this is from Ace Beauty. I own one of their palette already and it is definitely my go-to. I take it with me every time I travel. It says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. So Ace Beauty palette does give you good payoff and they do blend really nicely. So hopefully this has that same formulation. So this retails for $34 and $19 and $9. Love the detailing and whatnot. Yeah, so it says, oh, this is their Scarlet Dusk palette. The inside looks like the outside. We do have a mirror, big mirror. So guys, these are the shades that we are working with today. We're definitely going to do something simple. I know I say that all the time. Maybe stay away from, you know, the darker color today, but I don't know. My blending hand tend to go for the darker shade on the outer, but we'll try not to today. You guys, all of them swatches really nice. This one I had to swatch a few times, but I mean, beside that, can we talk about this pigment though? I'm really excited to try this and put this on the eye. So let's just create something, you guys. I'm really excited. For lid primer, I've been switching it up. I am stepping away from concealer. I've been using my Color Tattoo in VIP, this one right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my lid really quick. You can definitely use a lighter shade to give you more vibrant on your shadows, but I have good faith on this shadow that it will give us enough vibrancy. The first shade I'm going to use is this one right here. This is Sunset Rose. This is going to go on our crease. So whatever shade I use on the top, I'm definitely going to use on the bottom as well. But I'm probably going to do that later. Now I'm going to take a fluffier brush so I can just blend that crease more. I want to just make sure I don't have no harsh line on my crease. We're gonna go ahead and deepen that up. I'm gonna take shade, this one right here. We're gonna go back to that small shader, not shader, but small crease brush. I'm just trying to define my crease again. Just go back and forth with that brush. You go back to the first shade, bring that back up here. And now we're going to take this one right here, Crimson, and that's going to go all over the lid, you guys. We're also going to take the handy dandy finger, and I'm just going to go ahead and swipe that on our lid. It's just the same shade, but look at that, it just gives you more pigment. I'm just gonna go back and forth with this shade in Sunset Rose on the top and also apply that on the lower, and we'll be right back. I know you guys, the lower looks a little cray-cray, but when I apply the mascara, it's definitely gonna look way better, hopefully. So let's go ahead and move on to the inner corner. We haven't forgotten the inner corner. So I'm gonna spray my brush. And we're gonna take hibiscus, this one right here, and it's gonna be our inner color, inner eye color, inner tear duct color. Before I apply my false lashes, let's go ahead and dig into the next product in the box, which is mascara. Even though we wear false lashes, we definitely need to get our real lashes ready. So our real lashes and the false lashes adhere to each other. You need to apply some mascara. That's just a preparation that we need to do with our lashes. So there is a mascara in this month's box. So this is the Grande Cosmetics GrandeDrama Intense Thickening Mascara. So this is what it looks like. This retails for $25. The packaging is really nice. It is big and it is gold. This has castor oil in it, so I'm sure that it's good for your lashes. It probably helps with the growth of your lashes, or maybe the thickness of your lashes. So let me know if you know anything about oil. So this is the packaging. Let's go ahead and open it. This is what the one looks like. Everybody has their opinion on mascara. Let me know which one is your go-to so I can try them. You see that, you guys? Wow. And that's why I do not care for mascara that has a very big one, because that's what happens. So we have to let that dry. So you guys, I'm sorry if you have to stare at that thing right there. So this is my second coat for these lashes, but wow. If my lashes hold curls, this would be a perfect mascara for me, because look at that, it just gave so much volume to my lashes. It is really nice. I wish I can just keep my lashes like this on a daily. Of course, this is something that I do, but when I do my looks, I do like a big lashes, and it's nice right now, but in a little bit it will just fall down. And I feel like with, you know, big lashes, it just gives a bit drama with our look. So that's why I apply false lashes. But on a daily, this is something that is really nice. And you also need to buy one of this, you guys. This is Amazon find. This will separate your lashes, you guys. It is awesome. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at my lashes, you guys. I wish my lashes would just stay up like this. I wouldn't need false lashes, but they don't, so I need false lashes. Let's go ahead and move on to the last product in the box, which is a face mask. Say it like that. It's a face mask. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So this is a bouncy, breathable sleeping mask that smooths and perfects skin overnight. This pillows proof formula acts as a radiance boosting face mask formulated with soothing amino acid rich watermelon extract, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and pore refining AHAs that work while you sleep to gently exfoliate and clarify. So this is something that you have to use overnight. My skin is pretty dry right now, so something like this is definitely gonna be helpful to my aging skin. Aging and dry skin. I am just like a prune, like so this is something that's going to be really helpful for me. The mask is $22. So you guys, look at the packaging. It is glass. It is really heavy. So this has, oh my goodness, I did not buy glass. 1 fluid ounces. Oh, so you can use it as a sleeping mask, or you can use it as a wash up mask. So I'm gonna use it as a sleeping mask. So you can, it says you can apply this as a final step of the evening routine. For drier skin types, add an additional layer if desired. Pat gently until absorbed. Wash thoroughly in the morning. So that's what I'm gonna do tonight. If you want to use it as a mask, apply a thick, generous layer to a damp, clean skin. Rinse with lukewarm water after 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wash my face here after we're done filming. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'll check back with you guys in the morning. So I'm gonna put this away for now. Ooh, okay. It smells really good, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I just wanted to show you guys what my lashes looks like with the mascara. Definitely something you guys need to check out if you are on a hunt for a good mascara. So you guys, that is everything in our January Boxycharm box, and this is the completed look. What do we think? What do we think about our first unboxing this year? What do we think about all the products in our first Boxycharm? I think that they are I think that I think that they did amazing on their first box this year. I love every single product in my box, you guys. Did you get the same thing? Did you get the same products in your box? Which one is your favorite? Did you upgrade your box? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, on the cards I will list all the products. Let me know which one you want to try, and on the comment section let me know which one is your favorite out of all of the products that I tried for you guys today, and let me know what you think about the look that I created. And if you want to see a more up close, a little bit Facetune just go head on to my Instagram and follow me there. Everything that I have on my face that I didn't mention is going to be in the description below as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.